Hi, this is Farz and welcome back to Farzzology, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Fotor's AI image extender to expand your photos beyond their original frames. This one is perfect for banners, social media posts, or YouTube thumbnails. Then we'll finish with a look at Fotor's AI image enhancer to boost image quality. So let's get started. Fotor's AI image extender uses generative AI to expand the background or canvas of your photo. Not just stretch it, but intelligently fill in matching details. It's great when you want a wide aspect ratio without cropping your image badly. So first thing, go to their website. I'll give the link in the video description so you can easily go there and try it for free. The best thing is you don't need to install any software for this. It works online, so that's very convenient. After going to the website, you will see this interface. Here you can import your image by dragging it here, or just click and upload the image you want to expand. Very simple. It supports all common image formats. They also have some example images, but I'm not gonna use those. Let's upload the image that I want to expand. Now, you can keep the original ratio of the image and you can zoom in or zoom out using this slider. There is also a custom ratio option. Here you can choose any ratio depending on your needs. For this image, I'm going with a 4:3 ratio. You can also move the image around, zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the framing exactly how you want. After setting everything, just click on Expand button and wait for the result. And that's it. I think it has done a really good job here. Now just click on the download button. That's very simple. Now let's try another one. This one is a product photography image and I want to expand it. So first upload the photo, then set the ratio and click on expand. And look at this. It has done a great job. It looks natural and perfect. This is really helpful if you work with commercial photos or product images. Fotor also have the AI enhancer, which is very useful if you have the low resolution or blurry photos. It's also very easy to use, so let's try it. First, upload the image by clicking on the upload button and choose your low resolution or blurry photo. Then select the model. And you can scale the image up to 4x, which is great. I'm going with 2x for this example. And now click on generate and wait for the result. And it's done. You can see the difference. It's a huge improvement. Now the image is sharper with more details and better clarity. That's great. Now just click on the download and it's ready to use. So that's it. Just go to the link in the video description, try Fotor for free and compare the result. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.